Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set digits to save for irregular expenses. Irregular expenses like, car maintenance, annual subscription, or holiday spendings, these can sneak up on you. Digit makes it easy to plan ahead by creating dedicated savings goals that build up over time so that you're never caught off guard. Let me show you how to get it done. So first, open the Digit app. Go ahead and launch Digit and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, tap on the Goals or Savings tab from your dashboard. Then you're going to tap the plus or the add goal button. Just choose a category, or you could just create a custom goal. For example, holiday shopping or car repairs or property tax, whatever it is. Go ahead and create a goal. Next, you're going to set a goal amount and target date. You want to estimate the total amount that you're going to need and set a due date for that. And once that's done, Digit will calculate exactly how much to save weekly to meet the goal on time. Next you can do is to enable automatic contributions. Of course, this is optional, but you can go ahead and let Digit automate savings towards this goal, or you can schedule manual transfers if you want more control. Next, label it clearly. You want to make sure that you use a descriptive name that reminds you exactly what this goal is for. Could be, Amazon Prime renewal, December, or oil change, March, whatever. Just go ahead and label it clearly. Once that's done, review and confirm. Double check your settings and then tap create or save goal. Couple of tips for irregular expenses. Break it down. So if the goal is $600 per year, you want to save $50 a month automatically. You can also use notifications, so turn on reminders or transfer alerts so that you can track progress. And also multiple irregular goals, you can make sure to set several at once. Digit will manage contributions to all based on your spending patterns. For example, you could have annual gym membership, quarterly car maintenance, back to school supplies, and holiday flights. Digit ensures that you're prepared for the costs that don't come every month but still come every year. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.